माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी, honorable members, I need to inform. One second. Sanjay. Your seat. Honorable members, I had in my chamber, a meeting between leader of the house and leader of the opposition. The purpose of that meeting was to ensure that the house runs smoothly. Both sides and some other floor leaders were present here, like Tilakri Shiva, Pramod Tiwari and Jairam Ramesh. Both sides had frank discussion and they signaled two things. One, that integrity, sovereignty of the nation is sacred for us. We cannot allow any forces within the country or outside to sacrilege our unity, our integrity, and our sovereignty. The leaders had frank discussion. They have agreed to meet in my chamber tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. I would appeal to all the members of the House to carefully consider the oath of the Constitution they have taken. Their oath is very specific. They have to ensure integrity of the nation on a priority basis. Any challenge to the unity of the nation, to the integrity of the nation, from without or outside, requires all of us to offer united challenge. This is not a challenge to one section or the other. It is a challenge to our very existence. We as a nation are committed to fight these sinister forces, these forces that are inimical to India. This inimical force mechanism, a deep state that is evolving, is required to be neutralized by all of us. I would appeal the honorable members to share the sentiments of the people at large. People at large are extremely concerned that all divisive forces, all forces that are pernicious to the concept of Bharat, all forces that have sinister design to run down our democracy, to bring down our progress, to impede our economic upsurge, have to be defeated by us. That is the sentiment which 1.4 billion people share. That sentiment has to emanate from this house also. This house, at this critical moment, when the country is facing such severe challenges, must send a united voice to motivate the people at large, inspire the people, so that these forces are defeated. We in this country that is rising at a very fast pace cannot afford to either countenance or overlook such kind of evil designs, and our conduct should be such that people get more interest in our parliament, because if dialogue in parliament does not share the sentiments of the people at large, the parliament will get into irrelevance. It is fundamental for parliament to debate such serious challenges that the nation is facing from forces that are determined to run down our country by employing various mechanisms. The functioning of the deep state has been noticed that it affects us more perniciously than COVID disease. And this is an occasion where the entire nation needs to speak in one voice. The nation must give a direction to the people at large, so that all enemies of Bharat, within or outside, are taught a lesson never to venture in a misadventure to challenge our integrity, our sovereignty, and impede our progress. I am sure the members both sides will soul search themselves, live up to their oath, and set an example to the nation that we are first Indians, nation is first for us, our commitment to nationalism has to be 100%. We shall not allow our nationalism to go down. We will not bear any challenge that is to our unity, integrity, and sovereignty. I am sure the meeting that I had with leader of the House, leader of the opposition, and senior floor leaders, that will be continued tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. in my chamber. The House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. on Tuesday, the 10th December 2024.